Hi guys, so today I'm going to try out these foil nail arts from She Modern. Now they have shown a way that you can use it with regular polish. Last time I used these I did do some gel polish stickers. So inside the pack, just show you what you get. That just tells you a little bit on the back how to use them. You get the stickers of your choice, and again you can pick what colour the stickers come in. These ones are black. In here as well there's also just like some backing paper, so if you make stickers you can save them. I'm just going to get it out to show you in case you've never seen these before. So you've got the clear film that goes on the front of this, and then you've got like the white sort of sticky back, almost like photo paper. It's glossy on one side and matte on the other. So that is sandwiched in between there. And the foil nail arts themselves are like really thin. So they're quite easy to lie flat on the nail. You can see there's like hardly anything to them, which is a good thing to make them easy to apply. There's also just a black bit of card in there, so that all comes in that little bit. And in here, this is a handy palette for mixing, or if you want to pop any polish on, you get this plastic piece here. In this one you get a reusable stencil, and you can see it's got the deep smile lines there and a wavy line and straight lines. And also you just get a wee bonus set of some extra stickers as well, just basically like these ones. So the first thing we're going to do is they recommend that you use a jelly stamper, but turn it over so you're actually just using this smooth side on the back. This is so we can pop the sticker on here to work with it. I'm now just going to cut the one I want. So they recommend that you cut in rows, and then obviously cut out the one you want. So I'm just going to chop that bit off because I obviously don't want this little end bit. And we're going to work with this bit here. So you can see just how thin that foil art is. Now we want to place it face down on the stamper. So as you can see, the silver side is now facing up, so that is the back. Now we want to get some top coat. In their video they use the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry, so I don't have that, and they do recommend you try them out to see what works for you. I've got Seche Vite, it's dry fast as well, so I'm going to give this a try and we'll see if this works, and if not I'll need to have a look at some other polishes that I have. Now they say you don't need a lot, so wipe off most of the polish, and you'll notice that when I'm brushing over it you can see when it's covered because it goes this silver colour as opposed to the white. So over the top of this I'm just going to apply the nail foil adhesive. I'm just trying to keep this on the actual design itself. You can use a dotting tool if you prefer, but I feel that this pattern's big enough I can carefully just use the polish brush to apply it. So now we're going to take the sticker that we've made and we're going to apply it to the glossy side up on the piece of paper that comes in the kit. And because it has got the foil adhesive on the back, it will stick to this, as you can see. So you can of course choose to keep this to use obviously like at a later date, but I'm going to try applying it over just a regular polished nail. So next what we need to do is obviously try and use this sticker. So if we peel it up, it obviously lifts off cleanly. Now we want to use something with a point, and you want to try and gently lift the sticker. So I don't know if you'll actually see that, but quite hard to see. I've managed to run this tool just slightly under here. This is where the top coat was. So it is now in between the foil sticker and the backing paper. So we then just want to apply it to the nail. So I'm just going to pop it about there. And then press down firmly. So this is just nail polish on this nail. I've obviously allowed it time to dry. Now we want to gently pull away this top piece of paper. You want to do it at the side that you started peeling away from. I couldn't remember for a second which side it was, so just as you saw, I tried one side and it was quite sticky, so I went to the other, and now that has cleanly pulled off there. So I have lost a little bit of the foil sticker there, so that would probably be a little bit of practice to get that right, but as you can see, that is the sticker now on the nail. So what they recommend next is to get some alcohol and a small brush and to just run it around the outside. So this is going to kind of soften out the top coat that you put on earlier, smooth everything out before we obviously finish the nail. If you're doing a design where the foil art is sitting half on the nail, half off, this will also help clean up the sides. You don't want to use acetone for this because you'll end up just dissolving the actual foil pattern. So now that's complete, you're going to need a water-based top coat or something to protect the foil. I'm going to use Revolution by Picture Polish, and I'm just going to do a very thin coat of this over the sticker. So that is the finished design. I think I do need a little bit of practice on just finally applying it and gently being able to lift up the sticker from the backing paper, because I have slightly scraped the foil. But of course these things will come with practice. You get loads to use in a sheet, there's plenty there for other applications. And of course you can use all this to restore your paper, and just put the backing paper on and the clear film on the front, and you're ready just to seal it back up into the bag that it came in. Now it does come with this sticky bit that you can remove if you want to stick down and seal closed the bag. I like it staying open only because if this bit's sticky it makes it more awkward to actually pack away the stickers. So yeah, that is my attempt at doing the foil stickers using just regular polish. I have some other videos coming up with more products from She Modern. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.